Okay, guys, so this is the fun part. This is mitigation. Well, not the fun part for if you're actually going through this situation. But anyway, this is for educational purposes only. So today I'm going to talk more about mitigation. A lot of people, if you don't know what mitigation is, it's basically the cleanup after your pipe burst or your fire, things like that. That's what mitigation is. It's the cleanup, basically. I'm just going to equal it to that to better understand it. So you've called it, well, you woke up, pipe burst. I'm always going to use that as an example because we're in the winter season. You woke up, there's a pipe burst, water's everywhere. Um, you decide to call a mitigation company that's closer to you to come clean up the water. Um, what you want to do is you have them come over, they clean the water. You want to make sure that you keep all of the information that they give you, right? Of course, you're going to, you pay for the mitigation. The insurance company will reimburse you. Some mitigation companies want their money right then when you do it. So you'll pay them, and then if the claim is approved and not denied, then the insurance company will pay that mitigation bill, right? You want to make sure that you have a W-9 from them, a log sheet, and you also want to make sure that you have the estimate sheet. So basically, in the dry log. So basically, the dry log lets us know how much water that they had to clean up. The W-9 is for the mitigation company that of your choice to get paid. And then you also want the photo sheet. That's very important because the adjuster or who's assigned to your claim, they will need to see photos of the water damage, right? Also, they will need the estimate. So the estimate is basically if they need to pull out baseboards, what linear foot um, are those baseboards? What kind of baseboards? Because they may be oversized. They may not be the normal type. What kind of walls did you have? Did you have paneling? Did you have drywall? Whatever. How tall a flood cut that they have to cut in order to cut out the damaged drywall or the paneling or whatever it is. Those things are very important to the adjuster because they have to make a rebuild estimate based upon what the mitigation pulled out of your home, right? Because they want to get you back to pre-loss. Not a brand new basement, not a brand new bathroom, but back to pre-loss according to the standards of your policy. Um, what's allowed and what's not, right? So either way, I want, oh, also, so with our next video, because I have a lot to cover with mitigation, very important. So that is the first part if you hire your mitigation company, right? So I'm going to go into self-mitigation. And I'm also going to go into if the insurance company um, hires mitigation for you, right? So I'll go into those in the next video. Like, share, follow for more content. Thanks a lot, guys.